Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. Very important video for all the CMA students. Make sure that you are watching the video till very last. Yes, the admit cards are out. Not only that, along with the admit card, Institute has released the guidelines which the students will have to follow while giving their CMA inter and CMA final exams. These are center-based guidelines, and the home-based guidelines will almost be in the same line. Okay, for example, the use of calces and all, except the wearing of masks at home. So let us focus on it. That what are the guidelines that students have issued and students are asked to abide by. Let us hit it. So December 20 term exams to be held from 3rd January to 10th January. No surprises at all. And these are the instructions for the candidates appearing from center-based online exam. Home-based online exams will also be in sync with them, these guidelines. Okay. So, acha, one more thing. If you haven't downloaded your admit card yet, the link of downloading the admit card is given in the description box of this video. And do join the Telegram channel because it is full of the content. Now, and I hope that you have enjoyed all the marathons that we have brought up. Approximately we have brought law ka do marathon, audit ka do marathon, then there is cost FM marathon, then there is accounts marathon. Okay, so make sure that you are enjoying all marathons. Approximately 10 to 11 marathons are there for you guys. Okay, and company accounts marathon will be uploaded either tonight or tomorrow morning. So do watch it. Now, boys and girls, these are the instructions. Let us go through the instructions very fast. Now, major change in this is that your exams in the first half will start from 10 a.m. Wait. First half exam starts from 10 a.m. and the second half exam starts from 2 p.m. You'll have to report. The major change is that you'll have to report 1 hour early. Okay. So for the online exams, as you can see, 9 a.m. in the first session you need to report, and 1 p.m. in the second session wearing face mask, and they should carry a you can carry your pen, pencil, scale. Calculator is allowed, non-scientific, obviously. Drinking water, hand sanitizer, and admit card. Okay, borrowing, lending will be totally prohibited. So the major question that Kelsey will be allowed or not, it is allowed. Whether in home base it will be allowed or not, yes, it will be allowed according to my calculations and my observation. It will be allowed. Then you will have to show admit slip along with the ID card. Okay, nothing hi-fi in this. Very important thing is you must take along with you government issued ID card. For example, voter card, for example, Aadhaar card. Okay, so you can take either voter card or Aadhaar card or driving license or passport or institute ID card with the admit card. Okay, so if you are not having voter card, Aadhaar card, then you can carry your institute ID card also with your admit card, which means you need to carry admit card for sure and any one of these documents: voter card, driving license, passport, Aadhaar or institute card. Okay, then you will have to log in sharp at 10 a.m. Obviously, if the exam is starting from 10 a.m., you must log in at 10. You should reach 9 a.m., log in 10 a.m. for the first half, and for the second half, reach 1 p.m., log in 2 p.m. Okay, the examination will be of 3 hours. Paper will be of 100 marks. You can scroll any question, roll number, etc. You need not write anywhere in the detail answer book. Okay. New pass key will be shared only on the day of the exam by the proctor in the examination center. So those who are opting for center-based exam, those who opted for center-based exam, new pass key will be shared directly on the day of exam by the proctor. It won't be shared by email or SMS, but for the home-based exam, it will be shared by email or SMS for sure. You must not mention the name of the examination center. Answer can be written in English or Hindi, which you have selected. Must not change your allotted seat. You must check your email, and if you do not find it in inbox, please check your spam inbox SMS website for updates and notification regarding the examination. Okay. Again, you should keep your registration number, etc. ready for handy before getting ready for examination. Obviously, should not have any symptoms. Should not have any symptom of COVID-19 disease. And no candidate shall be permitted to leave the examination hall until the expiry of 1 hour after the login, which means if you have logged in at 10 a.m., you can leave at 11 a.m. if you have completed your paper within 1 hour, which is quite unlikely. Not allowed to carry mobile phone, smartwatch, other electronic gadgets, books and written materials and bags inside the examination hall. Okay, so you need to leave your mobile phone and etc. outside the examination hall. Thermal temperature screening will be done. Okay, and if it is more than the normal body temperature, will not be allowed to enter the online examination center. This is a protocol which has been followed by every institute. Then you must wear face masks all the time. Obviously it is not for the home base. At home base you will not be allowed to wear the face mask. Shall continue to wear face mask. Okay, nothing much in this. You can use the washrooms with the prior permission of the invigilator. You need to cooperate. After examination is over, you will be moved out in orderly manner so that social distancing is maintained. Proper parking of your vehicles if you are coming by vehicle. And this exit time I have already told, 1 hour after the examination start. You can exit if you have completed your paper. You need to complete within 3 hours. Strictly under surveillance, so maintain the proper code of conduct and do not indulge in the unfair examination means. No negative marking in this examination. So lot of speculations were there that negative marking may be introduced, but it was put to rest by the earlier notifications also. So no negative marking, do not worry about it. You can submit after 1 hour after the login. Yes, you can submit your paper 1 hour after the login. It will contain both MCQ and descriptive questions. Okay, both MCQ and descriptive questions. You will have to type the descriptive question. Photo capturing or upload of the text part is not allowed. Now, very important thing. If you want to draw a chart, graph, diagram, student can draw on a piece of paper A4 size in black or blue ink only, not via pencil. So if you want to show a graph, for example, a law chart you want to upload, then you need to draw the chart with the black or blue pen in A4 size paper, and the same can be uploaded with the help of invigilator in the online examination hall. Now, this point is a gray area for the home-based examination. Let us see how it follows in the home-based examination. And you can write in Hindi medium also if you have opted for Hindi medium, and you can upload descriptive answers. Okay, so those who opted for Hindi medium, obviously you cannot type in the keyboard because the keyboard does not allow you to type in Hindi. So you can write it on the piece of paper and then upload. Log in at the right time, sharp 10 a.m., final sharp 2 p.m. Have patience. Submit button will be activated after 1 hour of exam. Once submitted, once you have clicked the submit button, no re-login. It is as good as you have submitted the paper to invigilator, so we cannot take back from the invigilator now. So press submit button once you are sure for submission. So these are 40 important points which you don't have to go through now because we have gone through together. Okay, and for the home based exam, almost the similar guidelines will be there. Okay, so make sure that you are studying full-fledged, एकदम अच्छे से पढ़ते रहो भाई, and I am always there for you till you become CMA, till the last exam. Take care, bye bye.